Nnamdi Kanu is my leader, is my savior, is my Messiah. Our sister not here, Chioma. 2014, September. I know the radio Biafra. Guinea me. What happened? What Guinea made you a change here? I don't want to go into that. But you were once speaking on radio Biafra, talking how you are a Mendibo. But today, you turn on camera. The same man is supporter. The same man, in all your help, I was here your enemy. But it's up to you, so bad law. I told me a lot of people alpha. But listening to your battle, if I put a gate there, that's after your flyer, Igbo presidency or Biafra, and I'm from my leader picture. Mwamo. I heard you go away to Colombia. Oh, Nigeria today will continue respect law. We can have why any court case we have multitude of people in Nigeria, but they don't obey law, they don't respect law, no. But you can you why are you? Gini can one mother ame mazin na they can gini come. All those propaganda everywhere. Onye puti odu ka eziokwu. Akọtọ some of his voice halfway a post to ya odu ka eziokwu. And SARS today, all those statements and Anacot have, yes, will make that statement. But Kelikos will make that statement. Give it will make that statement. No, but I'm not player fool. I caught all that halfway post to ya, but I'm happy. Even after that ends SARS. The Lagos State government state inquiry, they did not indict Nnamdi Kanu. Even indictment. I'm happy also. Now this court in Kagalaga, all those things now on social media, everything. On what any evidence DSS present, the only evidence DSS present will pay for him. No, we can't do that. The only evidence they present will not pay for him. Charger, even now, one lady na half the way, no menka. Onye nka akpọtara onye nke ekwuru ekwu na asị na those like konye belinde mmadụ isi. As okay, but so that the person can make cross examination. As na force the person today. As na force the person. No, it's there. All the media. So we keep this program before. No, we take evidence. All on media. Now, I've been in Anambra State. One of our brother, okay, we going politician. No, I think on our house of rep. A bully no mazin Nnamdi Kanu. No mazin Nnamdi Kanu. Kachilek say me for the end of the day. I forced that one madi na second Niger Bridge. We funded that thing. Those of the people made those things. So those of them may escape the police net. Manunu Bulia, Buddha Mazin Nnamdi Kanu. So bad law. So bad law. Can I get contest under Aquapito Biden that was before 2023? It's going the party. Name, no. That guy flew Munya nebe. Now, one of the Munya or the video there. A Bulia. No, Mazin Nnamdi Kanu, but we thank God Munye John will put us that now. Let me get place here, the person, even the driver were involved. Driver say only oil, man. Everything Mazin Nnamdi Kanu. Now, Anama June, Mazin Nnamdi Kanu be in a court. See that? No, I am a naturally former. Any day wouldn't naturally former, even natural man be. Hopefully, so now even at room for those of all those people there against him, carry on. It's your entitlement. But one thing for sure, Igbo, Aja Igbo, Malo Bionyo Obuna. You open in a man. Igbo Maria. If we can deceive mu. If you can deceive others, but you might deceive your conscience. But at the end of the day, Ezuku is saying, since 2021, from Kenya, the way you have in Nigeria, I'm close to ready. But nobody, no country is talking about it. Why? Because all of them are benefiting from Nigeria. And they are stealing our resources and everything. You know?
Though you are digressing from the topic, I guess that's what you're talking about. But not more, it's not the only evidence presented against MNK or perfume. You get the judgment, please. You get the judgment.
I'm not talking about the judgment. I'm talking about the physical evidence DSS present.
How will you now not talk about the judgment when the evidences were presented during the verdict and the judgment? All the judgments can be presented when you heard you were now where the judgment. Sebastian no perfume.
No, but Genti, this one now go bam. I'm about the evidence against Nnamdi Kanu before the judgment presented from DSS. I'm not talking about the judge. I'm not making judge.
How do you know the evidence before Nnamdi Kanu? Are you his lawyer? Are you Nigerian's lawyer? How was the information private to you? Because all these things were brought to court. How do you know the evidence before the court? So were you there firsthand? How do you know the evidence before the court? Because I internally rely on what was going on in the court and which the case was not televised live. Like before the judgment, nothing was televised. All the judgments can internally participate. So where did you get this your information? No, go ahead,
no, I'm surprised. I'm so amazed that now you see that now all those this about DSS about the evidence presented by DSS they can't follow it on media. I'm so amazed. But I don't know you go mume. I'm like one of the Anthony's, one of the lawyers. I would like them to come in your program because everything is on media. I would like them to come. They come with the evidence DSS president. And I'm not talking about the judgment for Momoto Shaw. No, I don't want to go there. So I would like one of the lawyers, either Barrister Maxwell or Barrister Nnamdi Kanu or Aloy or Mandela. They will come. They come with that only evidence DSS presented except perfume all the media, all the there. But now it's in the folder. So on one other question. Yeah, go ahead. No, but I'm wanting to in Nigeria today as a whole, the only place this peaceful, the only region this is peaceful today, Wanibo. You may like it, you may take it or not. In Nigeria today, the only place that is peaceful, the only Anibo, Southeast. All the region, Alpha, don't remember, no? Now, the same thing against ESN. Sunday, but today, no, Nigeria today, create another new security outfit. What is the difference between that Sunday, but creating now and ESN? What is the different one? Okay, what is the difference? But I phone Konibo, the day Kebo. So, in 2014, we had your voice. I know your voice everywhere. If you want, I will start playing it. Today, Nnamdi Kanu. Bam, say something. I want to go down. What do you with your drum?
Please. So
what? Play what?
I don't have questions.
And when I'm trying to play, mute
your mic, I beg.
September 2014.
Mute your mic. Imana ihe unu bia na app. You're talking to somebody as if and when onye ma. I did that Kanu in 2013 and that was not hidden. So you're not doing any breaking news. I don't know who you heard in September, but by September, the voice in September of 2014 might be the voice of your mom, because it wasn't my voice. I have been on Radio Biafra prior to that. I even raised. Please mute your mic. Mute your mic. Okay, mute your mic.
I'm going out.
Mute your mic. Let me speak. Mute your mic. Okay.
Mute my mom.
Mute your mic.
Control
your
yourself.
mother is a woman and I'm a woman. So mute your mic.
Okay.
Mute your fucking mic.
Don't bring my
anywhere. Mute your mic. Just mute your mic. Mute your mic. Mute your mic. Mute your mic. Mute your mic.
We are allowed to talk.
Mute your mic. Mute your mic. That respect you give the women in your family, you will mute your mic and you will let me speak, because I'm co-hosting this platform. Okay, so act accordingly. Now, Muma Uchioma Merele Sahagut raised funds for building a cenotaph, or this, you Kembu Mpurulia. You were hearing, of course, I even dated Kanu. I dated Kanu in 2013. I went to Nigeria in 2014. May 30th, I was there live. So clearly you would have known that as well. After that trip, during that trip, I found out some things that did not coincide with the things he told Ndinona diaspora about raising funds to build a cenotaph, to build a mast in Nigeria. So even on the stage, Chairman, I would hope that at your big age, because all the Iga dream at your age, that if you are going and you see that Uzadro somewhere, that you will have the same boldness to use the same platform, not just regular day. Now I give my family members and I give build the cenotaph in Nigeria for all of those people Naira single-handedly. I rallied for it. I posted on it. At least I've been on social media for as long as anybody can tell. I'm not going on social media prior to any of this stuff. I use that same platform. It is still that same platform that people clearly know that I had a public relationship with this person. The reason why you start with that conversation is somehow to, if I find out that somebody is a scammer. I did an interview in October of 2014. That interview can on YouTube. Some of you know me from that interview. That interview never. So you're not saying breaking news. If I was the type of person who was scared of you guys, maybe 12 years later, I've been using the same name. This is my government name. Guy name Chioma Amerele Sanhagotu. I am that Chioma Amerele. CJ and I Google all the day. So you're not giving us any breaking news. When Radio Biafra started, it started with Ndinona diaspora. Nekweo actually build the cenotaph, actually all these projects. I coordinated. Of course I did. Because in here, at least people who were born here and people who grew up here, one thing we know that our parents did was asking our projects in Nigeria. Atokote go on all that project. That cenotaph. Ihemho. With foundation, arrow, poles, 80, and the deck arrow. And one paper mache eagle, no. A couple of days later, Akupiaya, I be on a radio, or say, no, it was Rike and Nigerian government that did it, and it was not true. And I came publicly, after 2 attempts on my life, I came publicly in that interview, 2014, and I said that Nnamdi Kanu is not bringing any Biafra, that it is a scam. I do not expect anybody that comes on a stage, Nnamdi Kanu is my messiah, to do anything that I'm expecting. I'm not even saying this thing because I'm gonna get back and forth. Because only Igbo people do not subscribe to demagoguery or messiah. I am on the messiah. The red cap in it, Nishigi Abro Beret, no red. That in the Igbo do not subscribe to demagoguery. So I'm not expecting somebody na no cause who messiah or savior to somehow get into a conversation with me. We were Igbo before, and we will be Igbo forever. I am not Biafra.
Okay, I'm going to Choma Snobber Biafra, and if I have opinion, yeah, and she's entitled to it. Do you understand what I'm saying? Ekubona me here before, we won't that no matter now, but we can't ejije. Ufonye chopota na ihe a na-eje na ọghọta chalakwa ife a na-eme, the person may decide to step aside. And only a step aside doesn't make that person a sabo or betrayer. Especially ebe a na-ekwu okwu ego maọbụ a na-ajụ ajụjụ. Ịghọtago? And they see this mentality of onye Igbo pụta ọ na-asị na Nnamdi Kanu bụ Messiah. Nnamdi Kanu is the savior of ndị Igbo. That no way can see a fee, me plan my view never. It's no God against your border. And if I go see that in a malo on Igbo, do you understand? Because in the body, I mean for Babiara. Only keep bien and Igbo. And only BB or you got to go. Like if I want that, look at in rebel mention or give age and woman. Abia no ụmụnna afọ ihe ọbụla a na-eke n'ụmụnna a na-eke ka esi wee tọ ada-eke ka isi wee bụrụ ọgayara ịghọta ada-eke because n'ihi kacha jide ego ọ ịpụta isi kwanye na ọgbọ gị ụtọ ọnụgụ luo iti mmanya aka na oke nke gị kporo n'ịghọtago mana tupu ị ga-afụ onye Igbo na-atịrị gị na Nnamdi Kanu bụ Messiah, Nnamdi Kanu bụ chi gị, Nnamdi Kanu this that. Keep on telling you guys the truth. Nnamdi Kanu is our brother. They understand me who is agitating for Biafra. But does it mean that no way I follow somewhere on I am and caution or Kuniane? I give Puku on Yamakaiji Burundi, but then I'm a view never steady. Only DMF. You got only a man card on my Abiana and Kanu so well. Do you understand what I'm saying? We can help on this conversation. But you see this Chioma, don't make it a lot of a valid point, especially if this our brother no. Any anaboni kukwa. Nnamdi Kanu. Ingokwala anya imakuye dị mma according to us na gini anabe date go. I don't know. Amalum kumano nyo na do the loan. Hey, so good yo.